Welcome to working day 4 of my 365 working days challenge. This is learning day 3 and just like every other day, I followed my learning routine with one simple goal and that is improve by just 1% today. I am not trying to become an expert overnight. I am building skills that can create long-term income. One lesson, one project and one working day at a time. So let me show you exactly that what I learned today. Income stream 1, full stack web development. As you already know, my first income stream is full stack web development and it is divided into 5 learning phases. Phase 1 is front-end development. Today I continued my front-end journey from level 3 of my course. This time I learned some of the most important cinematic HTML elements including header, footer and main, which help organize a web page properly. After that I learned the purpose of section, article and aside and how each one is used to create meaningful page structure. Then I revised the anchor and image tags. Before moving on to one of the most important topics in HTML, that is div and span, I practiced different examples until I completed the second last level of my HTML course. Now only one level remains, that is level pro. Phase 2, Backend development. In backend development, I restarted my Python journey with one of the most fundamental concepts, and that is variables. I created 3 variables, name, age and CNIC. Then I assigned values to each variables and displayed them on the screen using Python's print function. After writing the code, I also learned the basic rules for naming variables correctly. It may look simple, but every advanced Python program starts from these same fundamentals. Phase 3, project creation. Today's project work was focused on my front-end weather app. I created my account on Open Weather Map, completed the initial setup and generated the API key. Then I connected that API key and API URL to my project so I can continue building weather data functionality in the coming days. Every project becomes easier once the foundation is ready. Phase 4, Web design and freelancing. Today I started learning the basics of web design. I understand the difference between UI user interface and UX user experience and why both are equally important while designing websites. I also learned why consistency in colors, spacing and layouts creates a better user experience. Finally, I explored Figma, one of the most popular design tools used by professional web designers. Phase 5, Extra skills. Today's extra skill was learning Git. I learned that Git is a version control system used to track changes made in projects. I also understand difference between Git and GitHub along with some major benefits of GitHub like version history and collaboration with other developers. This was only an introduction, but it gave me a clear roadmap of what I will learn next. Income stream 2, tech focused YouTube channel. The second income stream is growing my tech YouTube channel. This income stream has 2 learning phases. Phase 1 is content creation skills phase. Today I learned how to consistently find great ideas for YouTube instead of waiting for inspiration, and I learned a repeatable system. The 6 methods I studied were YouTube search session, competitor research, reading audience comments, Google people may ask section, Reddit discussion and saving every good idea inside a spreadsheet. One good content system can generate hundreds of future ideas for videos. Next, the phase number 2, that is editing skills. Today editing lesson was about creating better thumbnails. I learned the most effective thumbnails styles including transformation, prime text, best moment, close-up and blurred results. Then I studied the core principles of thumbnail design. colors, text focus, alignment, and optimization. Finally, I learned why maintaining a consistent layout and logo helps build a recognizable YouTube brand. Income stream 3, affiliate marketing. The third income stream is affiliate marketing. Like the others, it also has two learning phases. Phase 1 is affiliate skills. Today I explored different affiliate marketing platforms. I took an overview of AliExpress, ClickBank, Fiverr, Digistore24 and Shopify. For now, I only wanted to understand how each platform works. In the coming days, I will dive deeper, research profitable products, and learn how to promote them effectively. Next is phase number 2, social media skills phase. Today's topic was how to boost Facebook posts. I learned the complete basic workflow, including choosing campaigns objectives, setting action buttons, special ad categories, messaging apps, creating welcome messages. Define the target audience by location, age, occupation, and their interest. Scheduling campaigns, budget settings, placements, and adding payments method. That wraps up working day 4 of my 365 working days challenge. Every lesson may seem small on its own, but together they are helping build the skills needed to create multiple income streams from scratch. I am documenting everything, the successes, the mistakes, and every step in between. Because the journey is not about getting rich quickly, it's about building real skills that can create real freedom. If you would like to follow this journey from day 1 to 365, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss the next update. Thank you for watching. I will see you in working day 5.